Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you my small idea about making the backdrop because I'm just starting a new project to make this ruffle string and I'm going to sell them soon. We accept customized color, but now we have this white color and this very light pink color. We also have this fabric and organza fabric and this gauze fabric. Can you see the difference? This will be much more transparent than organza gauze, transparent than organza, and they are little sparkle. Okay, this is white color, and I have this fabric. I have very light pink color and white color, so I will use this ruffle string to make the backdrop. And let's check the other material. Our flower support wire and our top low and hydrangea. On this tutorial, I will use this pink, light pink, white, and hydrangea, white and nude color. And I have another, also I have the milk white, milk pink color. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we need to make the floral wine. Very simple. Just put our flower head onto the spike. Will be okay. In fact, I already took some tutorial to show you very detailed about how to make the flower wine and tie the flower wine to the stand. If you are interested, you can check my old video. I will place the links on the information field below this video. I don't repeat the procedure here because I don't want you to feel bored. Okay. Now this is the flower wine I make with the flower I just showed you, and I tape the flower onto the stand. Okay, the following is the main idea I want to show you. Just hang the ruffle string onto the wire to show you our backdrop effect. Then we take one of ruffle string. We can direct tie the ruffle string on the wire, but I want to adjust the place of the ruffle string, so I would like to use the clip. I will use the clip. In fact, you can kick this small side off. And then hang on the wire like this. Okay, I will show you. Just hang the clip on the wire will be okay. Very easy. Because I'm holding the phone, so it's not much convenient for me, but actually it's very easy. Okay. So I will show you after I hang up all the ruffle string. Okay, completed. What do you think? This is my small idea. Just try to use my new item, the ruffle string, and our old item, the flower and the flower white, to make a bad job. Let's check the detail. In fact, the stripe color, because my first idea is try to using this ruffle string to make the table skirt. So I need a light color. In fact, if you make the backdrop, you can use the deeper color like pink and other deep color to match the flower. We accept customize the color. Let's check the detail. Okay, again our flower white. This film is not much clear enough. I will use another mobile phone to take a picture. You can check it from my Facebook page. This one. If you want to know how many flowers I use to make this flower white and the price, you can check my Facebook page also. You can find the link from the information field below this video. Okay, the ruffle string. If you want to know the price, the length of the ruffle string, also please check my Facebook page. Find the link from the information field below this video. I have different fabric, so you can see the different effect. Okay, using deeper color to make the backdrop, or you can change the lighter flower color to make them match, will be okay. Okay, this is today's tutorial. I hope you like it. I will take much more other picture with other mobile phone and post on my page. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye.